Hello everybody. I am going to show you my Minecraft gate in Minecraft. As you can see, it's right over there. Just move over there for a little bit. There we go. So this is a gate that I didn't design exactly. The guy who had made it first made a version with a switch right here. You can see. However, I've got, hold on a second. And it didn't, it's not the best. So I tried to make a machine which would do all of that automatically with one button, and this was a first design right here. It was really slow and took forever to open, so I came out with a newer model right here, a lot faster, and I built a little bit faster and a more compacted version right here. This is very cool, and I'm going to show you how to build it now. But first, let me show you exactly how fast it is. Now the top is out of sync only because I wanted that in sync instead. There is a way that you can make it on sync every time with it, but that requires a machine like right here. So if you want to put that like on top here or something like that, you can. I just don't think it's necessary. I don't think it really matters, but for us, it might. So let's begin. So I'm going to nab a few materials here. I'm gonna need redstone, repeaters, a piston, block, a torch, a comparator. Can't forget a button. Need these bars. And what am I missing? Oh yeah, it's a building block. For this, I'm gonna use a different thing. How about white? I like white. I'm gonna use white. No, pink. There we go. I'm gonna use pink. So we're gonna begin over here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a line of your building block right here. I don't think I counted it out right. Yeah, so 8. I'm gonna lift this up a little bit. I believe, yeah. And we're gonna put the torches right here. We'll put another layer on top, like so, and then more of these along here. Now the pistons are going to come out about 1 away from here, and so they don't hit on these here torches. we're gonna bring this up to, and then we're gonna put them on top right there. So that's where they're going to go. We need a bunch of them. Alright, and then we're not gonna put these on top quite yet. We're gonna bring this out to the edge. There we go. We're gonna put like so, and on top of these over here, we're gonna put another row of wool or your building block. And then we're going to take repeaters and we're going to place them all along here with redstone linking them all. Same on the other side. We don't need that. And make sure that they're all along just one tick, or else it'll take longer. Now we're going to bring this down. Not quite like that. We're gonna bring it out like this, I believe. That's what I did over here. Yeah, but you may want to put a repeater right here, so it'll make sure that it gets the entire line. I don't know how long a signal can reach, but I don't like to take any chances. So that's what we're going to do. And then, see, it looks like I brought it out like this and put it right there. It looks pretty close to what I did. Alright, so now I'm going to put that there. I'm going to put a block right there. I'm gonna bring this out, like that, and I'm gonna put this one onto 4 ticks right there, as you can see, 4 ticks, and then I'm gonna do that. It's going to go. Don't worry about it. Another one, and then these. And here could be any reds. It can be any of our source. It doesn't really matter. But I am a block here. Make sure that the torches on these are on. That's really important. And then we're gonna take another repeater and we're gonna place it here. And we're gonna put redstone. We're gonna take our building block and put 1, 2, 3 of them. We're gonna take our repeater again onto 4 ticks. Here, same thing, onto 4 ticks, and here just 1 tick. I'm gonna put them side by side right here, and it's gonna look like that. It's going to look like that. Alright? And then we're going to link these two like that. Over here, we're gonna put that right there. We're gonna bring this. It's gonna go right here. We're gonna take that. We can get rid of our comp now, and we're gonna take a bit of sand. I'm sorry about that. My camera cut out on me. We're gonna take our sand and put it right here. And we're gonna pull this out and put one repeater there. Pull this like that, and down here we're gonna put a repeater right there. You can take that off; it's not necessary. And then put this right there. Now we're going to take our building block once more and put it right here. We're gonna put a piston right here. It's a sticky piston. Everything I use, which is every piston will be a sticky piston. So it's yeah. So we're gonna put the repeaters here, like right there. We're gonna put these onto 4 ticks. Another one right here, also on 4 ticks. This is important. And then we're gonna pull this out like that, and see if I can remember exactly how I did that. Let me take a peek at this. Yeah, that's right. That's right. So we're gonna just we're just gonna have it like that. We're gonna put this right there. Gonna put that on top of it. Actually, put that and take that out. That is important that you take out that piece. I'm not sure why, but it is. All right. So then. Yeah, sorry, we're gonna pull this out like that, right there. Gonna take that off. That was a bad thing. And put that right there, just right there, so it looks like that. And we're gonna take not redstone, our wool, our building block, and it's going to look like that. We're gonna take our redstone and link it. Something I forgot to have you do is right here. You want it onto 2 ticks. That's what you want it is. So 2 ticks right there. I forgot that. But and then we're going to take our torches and put it there and there. See, that's why we have it like that. And then we're going to link this right there so that that's how it's going to look. Now, to make sure that we got this working right, we're going to use a button. Now, this is when we're going to put on our gate pieces. It can be anything. It can be these bars or a fencing piece. It just can't be a solid block. I'm not sure why, but it just can't be. Alright, so a chest might work, I don't know. A crafting table, glass. Wow, those 2 actually linked up. I didn't know they could do that. And so it can be even this, or another brick, but it just can't be a complete. It just can't be anything like stone or wool or anything which can carry a red stone current. Alright, and then we're gonna hit this button. Move 1 time. That was good. Now 3. That's good. That is exactly what we want. 1. That's good. Now we're gonna take a button over here, and we're gonna let's see. Right now, it'll do only 1 movement. which means we want it to be completely collapsed. So we're going to put this right here, and then we're going to push it until it looks like that. Okay, until it looks completely flattened out like that. And then we're going to come over here and make sure it works. And voila. Completely shut. On the bottom half anyway. And now, that's where this is important, is right here. Next, it'll go into this line right here, which will make it move 3 times. Okay, so it's like 1, 2, 3, and it's open. Now next, it'll be coming over here into this 1 movement part. So now one thing you will see is that this will move. That is how it works. I hit this, and it moves back. And then it'll only do 1 movement. I do that, it'll do it, and then it moves. I will just do C, and so that's why it is how it is. Alright, now we're gonna not put that there. We're gonna move this out like that, I think. Okay, now what we're gonna do now is we're gonna put this up. We know that if it's completely open like this, we want our piston to be right there. Yes, we want it to be right there. So we're going to put 8 of these in a row, like so. And we're going to pull this right here on the side there. We're going to see 1, 2, 3, I believe. Put up like that. Well, not yet, but. And then this is where the timing of this upper piece can be altered. I like it on I like it to be set onto onto 8 sticks. I'm sorry, hopefully you can keep with me here. But yeah, that's how it's gonna work. And then we're gonna put 1 here, and we're gonna pull this wiring all the way out like that. Make sure it's all 1 line. And then see, I think I'm in right here. We're gonna put another building block right under that one, and we're gonna put a torch on top of it. See, it should be completely open right now. Sorry, I'm gonna. Nope, it's a bad idea. Nope, no. I'm gonna keep it how it is, right there. I'm going to put up this wiring right here. That way it'll come all the way up, like so. And I think I did it right. Yeah, I did it right. And then like it's going to power up, and these are going to come down like so. You know, I'm just gonna. I'm just gonna do that. Sorry, my camera cut out again, but it's going to look like that. And then you're mostly done here. All you gotta do is just put in the buttons up top here. Alright, so this is what it's going to look like. well, except for hopefully not a pink version, but that's your choice, I guess. We're gonna build up a wall right here a bit. And then we're gonna put a button here. Can I come through here? And a button here. Now we know it's on the this here piece, so we're gonna put it a building block down here. We're gonna make that come all the way out, and so both of the buttons can be helpful, and then we're going to make a pathway down to this. Let me just put it right there. It'll look like that. I'm gonna ladder this up here, or not ladder, I guess, but it's gonna look like that. And this is the complete design. You can build up any walls or anything as you want, but it's mostly underneath, which is helpful, which is nice. So uh-oh. Yep, I didn't hit that button, which means this is off, actually. Yeah, so I'm gonna move this over here like that. There we go. Alright, so you can put this back and forth if you need to, as long as they are both open at the same time. Hit the button, and they close. And again, and it's a little bit off. I'm gonna change that to not as long, to that many ticks. And it works just like my other one does. So the timing up here can be redone and messed. You can see I'll make it a little bit more insane. But if you want to make it completely in sync every time, you can do something like this piece up there. I wouldn't recommend it. Just takes up a lot more room. But that's up to you. So I hope this helped you out. There are a few cool mechanisms in here that I had to learn. Like this one makes a signal. It can actually make it last longer than it normally would, which is really nice. So I'm just gonna put a button right here just to show you. That's what it would only get is just 2 movements. I put it over. I'm just gonna put this here forward now. I'm gonna put it over here, and I hit that, and I get more movement out of it. So that's what this can do. It's really cool and neat, helpful. What this part does actually is it makes the signal turn into only 1 tick. And so I don't know how long a button would normally last for, but as you saw here, I get 2 movements out of it. 2 movements, and that's not good for just 1 movement thing, which is why I have this piece right here, is so I can control it a lot more precisely. So, and this I already showed you what it does. This is pretty well known. I can take off all these here buttons. I'm gonna refix that. It should become. It shouldn't not be. So I'm gonna. Yeah, see, it worked really nicely, and so it's open now. So that's how it works. You can put up walls and such, as I did over here, or whatever you want. But be sure at you and be sure to use this. I really like my gate. So peace out.